Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income. If you're looking for ways to make money online while minimizing active effort, you're in the right place. We've curated a list of the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 on our list is affiliate marketing, and let me tell you, it's an incredibly powerful and versatile strategy for earning passive income. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Here's how it works. You become an affiliate for a company, promoting their products or services to your audience. For every sale or referral that you generate through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that straightforward. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about product creation, inventory management, or customer support. All those aspects are taken care of by the company you're affiliated with. Your main focus is to strategically showcase the products or services to your audience, highlighting their benefits and demonstrating why they're a great fit for them. Signing up for affiliate programs is usually free and straightforward. Many companies offer affiliate programs in various niches, so you can choose the ones that align with your interests or the preferences of your audience. Once you're accepted into a program, you'll receive unique referral links that track the sales and referrals generated through your efforts. Now, here's where the fun part begins. You have various platforms at your disposal to share your affiliate links and start generating those juicy commissions. You can leverage your blog by writing in-depth product reviews or informative articles that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter are fantastic for sharing engaging content with your affiliate links subtly integrated. And of course, if you have a YouTube channel, you can create dedicated videos to showcase the products or services, providing valuable insights and driving your audience to make a purchase. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win-win situation. You win by earning commissions for every successful referral or sale. The company you're affiliated with wins by gaining new customers through your efforts. And your audience wins by discovering valuable products or services that enhance their lives. Affiliate marketing offers incredible scalability too. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. You can diversify your affiliate partnerships, explore different niches, and experiment with various marketing strategies to optimize your results. It's an ever-evolving journey that allows you to continuously refine your approach and unlock even greater passive income streams. So, whether you're just starting your online journey or looking to expand your passive income portfolio, affiliate marketing is an excellent choice to consider. It provides you with the freedom to work on your terms, promote products you genuinely believe in, and generate passive income while doing so. Get ready to let those commissions roll in as you embark on your exciting affiliate marketing adventure. Next up, we have the ever-growing world of online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and host your courses while handling the payment processing and distribution. Once your course is created, it can generate revenue for months or even years to come. Number 3 on our list is the fascinating realm of print on demand. All you need to do is create the designs and promote your products. Each sale means passive income flowing into your pocket. Host. Our 4th passive income idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks. By purchasing stocks of companies that online courses, print on demand, dividend investing, or creating digital products, each of these ideas has the potential to provide you with ongoing income while allowing you the flexibility to focus on other aspects of your life. Remember, starting any passive income venture requires time, effort, and dedication. But with perseverance, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Which idea caught your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos on unlocking your potential for passive income. Until next time, happy earning! This script provides a general outline for the video. Feel free to modify and personalize it according to your channel's style, target audience, and any additional details you want to include.